coming in. That's the city.
I'm going to the game. Look, we got hit with a tornado. Look at the tornado. Oh my God, look at the tornado. Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm going to the game. Look, we got hit with a tornado. Look at the tornado. Oh my God.
Is that a freaking tornado? Is that a tornado? Wow. Holy shit, that's a tornado.
It wasn't the rowboat races, because that's coming right at everybody.
Wow, that just hit land. See the brown stuff? That's the rocks. Guys, I'd get ready to go in the bathroom if I were you. Although it looks like it's dissipating now. Well, it's hitting something else now. Look at this shit getting pulled up out of the rocks. All those things flying up. Guys, that's increasing now.
Yeah, it's going that way, right?
Well, we hope, right? You know this thing's the biggest risk of all, right? This thing's the biggest risk of all. Hurricane or tornado hits that, where's that? Whoa! That's a house, guys. Kim got. Who's got the baby?